Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be putting both of the case halves together on the 1984 Honda Shadow VT 500C. So let's get started. In the last video that I had on this, where I cleaned everything up and got the oil pump back together, I ended up using this part off of the 1986 because the one off of the 84 was tight. I'm hoping that everything's going to work good. I got it all torqued back down. I torqued these bolts to 6 foot-pounds. So I got this case half all cleaned up. All the contact surface has been cleaned with acetone. I'm going to go around and put some RTV sealant on it. I'm going to be using this ultra black gasket maker from Permatex, and then I'm going to put the other side on, let it sit for like an hour or so to seat, to get a little tacky, and then I'm going to be torquing it down. But I also have to find the pins. These two pins will go in there. One's going to go up here, one's going to go here, one's going to go up here. I got them all cleaned up, used some 400 grit sandpaper and hooked it up onto a drill. This is what I did. I just took a bolt with some washers and or the end of a drill, and then just turned it and used some, I think it was 400 grit sandpaper, and just sanded it down. So it's pretty smooth and it fits in the hole, so that's it's a good thing. So like I said, I'm going to go and I'm going to be putting some RTV sealant on here and get this thing back together. Okay, I want to get a little better view on here. You can see what's going on. Make sure my surface is nice and clean. Looks like it. I'm just going to be taking some of this RTV sealant and smearing it around here. I just want to get a light film. I want to put some RTV sealant in here just in case. I don't really think I'm going to need any in here. Now that I've got sealant the whole way around there, got my fingers cleaned off, I'm going to go and slide this case half onto it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on here. I had treated it once before. Hopefully this will slide on without any issues. Sure it's all nice and clean. Yep, looks clean. No oil on there. Nope. Looks good. Did we forget to put the pins in? I think I did. Crap. Good thing it didn't squish together. I was telling you about that I needed to get in before. Okay, let's try again. Make sure it's nice and clean. Yep. There we go. Gotta get those bolts in there and snug that up. I found the bolts for this side. They are M8 by 1.25, and there is one that's being used for a ground, I do believe. So I'm going through and cleaning these up. And then I'll put them in as I get them cleaned. This bolt here has got the ground wire connected to it, or the ground wire connects to this bolt. It's the only spot that doesn't have any paint on it. So that's what I'm presuming it goes to. The rest of them, I went around and checked the length. These here are all one length. This one here is shorter. So I put that one there, that one there. These were clean, so they must have been inside. There's one that goes down here. Got two up here. These are really long ones. One's got a washer on it. I have not found a washer for the other one yet. So I'm thinking that there was no washer on it. That's just what I'm going to presume for now until I go back and get deeper into it and find out that maybe it was missing or I forgot it. But we got this one here. These two are the same length. So I'm going to put both of them in here. And I'm going to start from the center and snug them up. Let me get an extension quick. I'm going to snug these three up. And I'm going to try to do these in a crisscross pattern. Make sure everything turns. Still turning, that's good. I can't tell which gear I'm in until I get that on. I'm gonna go crisscross. Okay, what's our torque spec supposed to be for these bolts? Crankcase bolts are supposed to be 8 to 12 Newton meters for the 6mm bolts, or 6 to 9 foot-pounds, and the 8mm bolts are 20 to 25 Newton meters, or 14 to 18 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go through and clean up these bolts yet. I've got 3 of them right here. I'm going to clean them up, and they'll go right down here for this side, and then I've got ones for the other side, but I'm going to have to put them in later. These are M6 by 1.0. I'm just running a dye over them to clean them up. I said one goes here. We got one long one and 2 shorter ones. Make sure everything's still turning. Seems to be good. It's in gear. I think I got this figured out. I think this is first, or this is neutral. I think it's supposed to be neutral. And then if I go this way, I think that's neutral. This is first. Neutral. Come on. I think that's second. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or sixth. That's sixth there. So sixth, fifth, fourth, third, second, neutral, first, something like that. I think that's neutral. So hopefully that is correct. Everything seems to shift okay. This turns, crank turns okay. I'm going to take this back off, put that in the bag. I'm going to go and snug these bolts down. Somewhere around in there. Try to torque them in. What did I say we got again? 6 to 9 and 14 to 18. I'm going to go with 10 first. I'm going to go to 10 and then 14. Okay, I'm going to torque these down to 6 foot-pounds. Okay. I'm going to go back and torque these other ones down. To 14. Okay, and then 6 to 9. I'm going to torque these to 7. Those are torqued to 7, they should be good. I'm going to go back and torque these other ones down to 16. Well, I'll do it for getting this case half on, getting these case halves together. I'm going to have to get the rest of the parts and start putting the rest of this back together. That'll be in the next episode. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.